In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a project plan in Smartsheet. To get started, open Smartsheet and create a new project sheet. This gives you a structured workspace where you can organize your tasks, deadlines, and team responsibilities all in one place. When you create a project sheet, Smartsheet usually includes project-friendly columns by default, which makes setup much faster and easier. Once your sheet is ready, begin by adding your tasks in the primary column. Think of this column as the main outline of your project. Each row should represent a task, milestone, or key piece of work that needs to be completed. Try to name tasks clearly so anyone viewing the sheet can quickly understand what needs to be done without extra explanation. After that, fill in the important details for each task. Add the owner so it's clear who is responsible. Then enter the start date and end date to define the timeline for the work. You can also update the status to show whether a task has not started, is in progress, or is complete. Priority is useful as well because it helps your team understand which items need the most attention first. The more accurately you maintain these columns, the easier it becomes to keep the project organized and on schedule. If you want a visual timeline, turn on Gantt view. This is especially helpful for larger projects or for any project with overlapping deadlines. Gantt view transforms your task dates into a timeline format, making it easier to see how the work is spread out over time. It also gives you a clearer picture of what is happening now, what is coming next, and where scheduling conflicts might appear. If some tasks are connected, add dependencies and predecessors. This tells Smartsheet that one task relies on another task being completed first. Setting this up is useful because it helps maintain a realistic schedule. If one date changes, connected tasks can adjust more intelligently, which reduces manual updates and helps prevent planning mistakes. To monitor the project more effectively, create reports or dashboards to track progress. Reports can help you focus on specific information, like overdue tasks or items assigned to certain team members. Dashboards are great for giving a high-level view of the project, especially if you want a quick summary of progress, risks, or upcoming deadlines. Finally, share the project sheet with your team. This allows everyone involved to view updates, make changes if needed, and stay aligned on the current status of the project. Keeping the sheet shared and up to date helps improve collaboration and makes project tracking much more efficient.